Media Advisory. Thursday, February 2, 2023. Human spinal cord cell atlas provides foundation to study neurodegeneration, chronic pain, and other diseases. New research offers clues about the biology of cells in the spinal cord that die off in amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, and other neurodegenerative diseases. A team of researchers supported by the National Institutes of Health found evidence linking motor neurons' large cell size and supporting structure with the genes that underlie their vulnerability to degeneration in ALS. Findings appeared in Neuron. The study resulted in a catalog or atlas characterizing the diverse community of cell types within the human spinal cord. By examining gene expression at the single-cell level, the researchers identified dozens of cell types in the spinal cord and analyzed their molecular profiles. They demonstrated the usefulness of the atlas by looking closely at motor neurons, which provide voluntary movement and motor control. Motor neurons, which degenerate and die in ALS, are large cells with one long extension called an axon up to a meter long that conducts signals from the spinal cord to the muscle fiber. The team found that motor neurons are distinguished by a set of genes that may enable the large size of the motor neuron cell body and lengthy axon, but also underlie their vulnerability to degeneration. Their molecular profile was defined by genes involved in cytoskeletal structure, which gives the cell shape and organizes the structures within, neurofilament genes related to cell size, and genes linked to the onset of ALS. Additional experiments showed that ALS-related genes are also enriched in motor neurons in mice. Taken together, the study gives insight into ALS and demonstrates the utility of the Spinal Cell Atlas to study disease and possible interventions. Ariel Levine, MD, Ph.D., Principal Investigator, National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, NINDS. To arrange an interview, please contact NINDS press team at NINDS.gov. Yadav et al. A Cellular Taxonomy of the Adult Human Spinal Cord, 2023 Feb 1. Neuron. DOI 10.1016/J Neuron 2023.17. NINDS is the nation's leading funder of research on the brain and nervous system. The mission of NINDS is to seek fundamental knowledge about the brain and nervous system and to use that knowledge to reduce the burden of neurological disease. About the National Institutes of Health. National Institute of Health. National Institute of Health, the nation's medical research agency, includes 27 institutes and centers and is a component of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. National Institute of Health is the primary federal agency conducting and supporting basic, clinical, and translational medical research and is investigating the causes, treatments, and cures for both common and rare diseases. For more information about National Institute of Health and its programs, visit www.nagov. National Institute of Health, turning discovery into health registered.